Yeah, what's good, man? How we doing? Welcome back to the streams. Look, I'm watching this 30-minute closure right now. If we can close with a bottom wick, I'm going to take some sells. So I need a pullback, but if we close with a bottom wick here and come up top wick first, we'll look at some sells right now. Okay, chat, I'm going to take some sells right now. Early trade, literally straight on. Yeah, jumps and sells right here. I don't see anywhere else gold needs to go, to be honest, other than down. So, just jumped in some sells here at the flip of this candle. Good morning, everyone, by the way. Bit of a quiet one, but good morning. I want to see a drive here. Stops are above the previous 30. TP is going to be down here, to be honest. Yeah. That is now going to be a risk-free trade, though. Oh, if I can place it. The chat stops to break even on this position right now, as we're tapping into this wick rejection area right there. Most likely we get tapped out here, but if we can survive and re-break the lows, then that'd be great. There you go, chat. Look, I'm closing half my position here at 10 pips, so congratulations. And the rest is a runner. Early win right there. That's absolutely clean. Yeah, chat, great trade right there. TP. Where is the TP? I didn't even have time to look for my TP, to be honest. Let's see. Bottom of the range, 27.30? Yeah, 27.30. Well, actually, let's just put it at 27.33.7. $27.33.7. Could be nowhere else for it to go right now. If it rejects and taps out break even, then so be it, chat. But that's a crazy early position. Yeah, it might tap us out here. Stops at break even, to be honest, bro. Got caught BE, poor entry, W trade. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. If we can re-break the lows, we should be good. Otherwise, we're struggling here. I want to look at the 1 minute structure. Yeah, 1 minute close, no top wick, or bottom wick, sorry, previously. If you re-break the lows, you should realistically have nowhere else to go. The 1 hour looks good. Yeah, until 27.33 point, around here, right? That's where I'm looking at. In fact, you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to close full on the position at 15 pips. Congratulations. Absolutely clean position. Early morning start, right? Literally 8:30 in the morning. 20 of you on stream, literally super early, but congrats. I'm going to stay online, obviously. I'm going to stay online, obviously hunt for a few more trades later on. That's a nice little start to the day. Nice little 15 pip trade. Let me update the record. Stream record. 67 wins. Chat, how's everyone doing though? I need to do a breakdown and analysis still. I still haven't done one. Gold sells 15 pips. Great trade, SG. You got a huge like. Appreciate it, George. Appreciate it, man. Bro took that whilst I was on the toilet. You hate to see it. Oh, that's tough, man. That's tough. Yeah, chat. I don't like how it's hovering here. I wanted to see a straight push through. That's why I closed full just there. But look, a great little start to the morning, to be honest. Can't complain. It's 8:30. We already made our money for the day. Don't pip and dip though, chat. I'm going to stay on for a while. Well, not for a while. I'm going to stay on like for a regular stream. We'll still look for positions here throughout the rest of the session. Need to do a little analysis too. But chat, how's everyone doing? I didn't even say hi. Come say hi if you're here, man. What's good to everyone? George, what's good? Gene, Kato, what's good? Ben, Rentarox, Joshua Schwartz, what's good, man? Joel, Jay. Alright, cool. There's a lot of people here, man. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Take it either. I wanted to take it on the 15, but did the bullshit. Up and down a lot and wanted a bigger top wick on the 30. Yeah, I think it was clean. I got this basically yesterday. You did a 15 pip trade. Yeah, I did, bro. And today as well. 15 pips is all we need, man. What's good, Cryptomaniac? What's good, Mia? Simeo, how many lots do you trade with? It doesn't really matter how many lots I trade with, bro. The strategy's still the same. Doesn't change, right? How much money I make doesn't really matter. Yeah, chat, that 30-minute had nowhere to go other than to at least tap this wick here. That's why sort of that was the break-even point. And is it now rejecting? It is. We nearly would have got tapped out break-even just there. Obviously, what you want to see now is you want to see it come out and like come to the break-even point where it would have tapped us out before moving. Because that means we were right to manage where we did. What about how many lots do you recommend the novice trader use? Depends what size account, bro. That's the whole thing. Just use like 1% risk, 2% risk. Imagine waking up, making a couple mil, and then going back to bed and calling it a day. Yeah, not quite a couple mil, but I can survive. Bro, it's a good feeling to do that, to be honest. Like, obviously not a couple mil, but like 8:30. I could technically call it a day right now. After I did the trade, but I got less profits, like very small. But you in the chat seem excited, but I was like, this can't be it. Depends what size your account is, right? Depends how much risk you're putting on each trade. You have to understand, we're not making crypto gains. It's not like 50% every trade or whatever, unless you're risking quite heavily. You know, 1% or 2% a day is more than enough. But chat, look at this. So the weekly time frame. Let me do a quick analysis here. The quick analysis. The weekly time frame is essentially pushing down still. You did close above previously on the previous weekly open, but now you are coming down. You did tap into the level, and this daily time frame too has made a top wick and now rejected here. You do have a little area around 27, 29 that you could reject off of, but realistically we should expect to see this daily wick fill now. That was the main confluence on the trade I just took. 4 hour as well, sort of, you know, you see the structure here. We're coming down, making lower highs and lower lows. You just made a lower low here and now a lower high. Expect to see this break this low and continue down as well. The 1 hour doing a similar sort of thing. Yeah, you have room on the 1 hour until 27.33. However, that's probably not enough now for us to get in another position here. So we have to wait most likely until the closure below there. But chat, for me, realistically, like I said, target for that initial trade was 27.33.8. And then you have sort of, you know, if you're looking back above for buys, I'd probably be looking somewhere above this area here at 27.44. Let me just look to the left and see what we have. Yeah, so to the left again, this area is very, very choppy. It's going to be a little bit difficult to get some trades in here, especially with this chop to the left, to be honest. But if you can close realistically in this level, you should see at least a drive down towards 27.25. We might just have to push this down a little bit. I think that works out. Yeah, 27.33. Yeah, that works fine. So if you close below 27.33.4, yeah, that's going to be our area for clean sells. I'm not calling it a day now. I'm going to continue to trade here. We'll keep looking. Yeah, keep looking. But essentially what I'm looking for in today's analysis, 27.33.4, anywhere below there we can look to take some sells again. Otherwise, yeah, we can look for buys back up if we close above that 27.44 area on that daily flip and re-break of its own high. And if we do get the sells, it should take you down towards 27.26. Make sense, chat? Hopefully it does. Should do at least. See, look, chat, we're hovering sort of where we closed. So my actual closure was on the bottom of this wick right here. I mean, look, we've been hovering around there for a while. There's only a few more pips towards the bottom of the range, like 10 more pips towards the bottom of the range, which is why I closed out, because there's no point risking a rejection there and to only try and get, grab 10 more pips. If we had like, if we had something like 30, 40 more pips towards the bottom of the range, then yeah, maybe I would have been a bit more aggressive with it. But yeah. I got a new job that allows me to trade NY starting April. W. Hey, that's good, Mia. Good shit. That's really important. If you can get a job that allows you to trade, either NY or London, then huge. Huge. Because then obviously you've got the income coming alongside of your trading. It's going to give you a much higher probability to be profitable. Got some of my friends into crypto last week. You can imagine how insane they went when they woke up and looked at the charts yesterday. Yeah, I know, bro. And it's going to be your fault now. It's going to be your fault. How's your moving? How's that going? Chat, I have an update. So, I'm waiting for the contract. I signed the contract yesterday for my new apartment. I'm waiting for the owner to sign the contract on their end. And, yeah. Yeah, sorry, I was just texting the realtor. But yeah, so basically, I'm moving mid-February. Touch wood, everything goes well. Mid-February, I'll be out there. Hey, what's good, Calm? Unreal W streaming background for me, sticking to one trade a day. Hey, nice, Jay. Good stuff, man. Congrats. Yeah, that was a clean early trade. I'm not gonna lie, I rarely get trades at 8:30, but we got one today, so it was absolutely clean. That's huge. Yeah, indeed. If I take a trade with one lot and I get 10 pip trade, does that mean I profit $10? No, that means you profit $100. Is it in the UK? No, it's in Cyprus. Chat, you guys are gonna go crazy when you see this apartment, honestly. Yeah, you guys are gonna go insane. I think it's honestly one of the nicest apartments I've seen in like, not nicest I've seen, because obviously it's like £1 million apartments or whatever, but it's beautiful. Okay, thanks. Because I went on pip calculators, they were all saying $10. It's to do with the contracts per, or the units per lot or whatever. You have to change that to 100 for gold. Moving to Cyprus, W. Yeah, Mia, indeed. Indeed. I'm super excited for it. Chat, one problem is though, I'm facing a real issue right now with relocating, which is my car, right? In Cyprus, they have a rule, if you take a car over there from a non-EU country, which obviously the UK is, I have to pay 29% tax. So obviously 29% of my car value is like over $10,000. $10,000? Pounds. And yeah, if I had the car for 6 months though, I could claim it as like my personal car and I could move it tax-free. But I only had it for like a month. Just give me the car free, tax right off. Yeah, I got you, Calm, don't worry. You moving solo? Nah, I'm moving with my girl. Yeah, we're moving to the place together, so it should be good. Excited, chat. I'll take it. Nah, it's just crazy because I have to basically leave it in the UK for another 4 months and then import it over. So I have to rent a car out in Cyprus for 4 months. I think I'm going to be driving some shitty little rental car rather than my actual car for 4 months. But it is what it is, chat. I can't complain. It's very much first world problems. After 6 months, they're going to hit you with that. You have to have driven it, yeah, 2,000 miles minimum. Yeah, exactly. Could be worse. Oh, no, 100% it could be worse. Chat, by the way, we just would have hit break even there. So we actually had the peak closure. We literally closed right on the peak there, chat. So congratulations anyway. That would have hit you break even. So an absolute excellent manage. Again, it was based off of like this wick to the left was the break even point, and then closure down here was based off of, well, the fact that we were only 10 pips away, to be honest. Sniper. Sniper indeed. Chat, listen, drop a like as well if you haven't already. We already got a clean position here, but we're going to wait for some more. You have a 15-minute closure in about 20 seconds here. I'm not looking to take the buyers right now. I think we might be forming a range, to be honest. Actually have a 1 hour level here as well. You have to think, right, the 1 hour actually previously did close respecting, which is why this could still flip up and, you know, you'd be in a bit of tricky business. But we understood our advantage point, right? We knew we had a little bit of room. Oh, 15 no top wick, chat. I got my morning walk. See you later. All right, I'm here in a bit. Yeah, so 15 no top wick. That's grim. Really not nice. This trade at 8:30, did you define the stop loss and take profit? Yeah, I did. I didn't say them. I said the stop loss, and then the take profit I sort of said halfway through, but it was a bit of a rushed one, to be honest. Like, I saw it on the charts. I jumped on stream really quickly, took it, and then, yeah. You know the vibes. What's up, KB? How's it going, man? How's it going? The rush trade didn't catch that. You're all good, man. There's a lot of opportunities today. A lot of opportunities today. I'm still going to be around for the rest of the stream. I'm not going to stop trading. At least not yet. But yeah, chat, like I said, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Let's try to get to 30 likes already. Only 15 minutes into the stream and we already caught a nice W. Again, we're waiting for some nice confirmation here. If the 1 hour closes below, we can attempt the same trade again. Actually, I heard you at MT5 and knew you were cooking something. Bro, Ben, I was thinking about that when I opened it. When I opened the MT5, I was like, someone's going to hear that and be like, oh shit. Yeah, that's a good, Ben, that's good, like, spidey senses right there. Someone said earlier, do you go through the trades in the private group? The answer is yes, right? We have a group call every day. You guys can ask me about the trades, why I took them, all of that sort of stuff. So whoever it was that asked that earlier, I can't remember who it was, but yeah, we do. Chat, I've been killing it this year already, man. It's been a great year so far. 67 wins on stream at the minute. Obviously, that's including last year, but you know what I mean. Look at that stream record. 67, 20, and 10 losses. What is that? 67 plus 20 is 87. Plus 10 is 97. We basically have like a... I'll work that out. Oh, wait, it's 87. Yeah, so we have a 90% win rate on stream pretty much. Insane. 89%. That's actually fucking crazy, chat. Also, look at this rejection here. The 1 hour flipped right now. 1 hour flipped and you're starting to close back above the level. Daily, did the daily flip too? No, not yet. Daily's coming close to its own flip though. Could be very interesting, chat. Remember, the weekly did close bullish as well, so realistically, there's still an opportunity for us to push back up here. We're not like totally bearish. I forgot to say also, chat, earlier, we do have some news today. So this week is actually quite heavy on the red folders. Today we have consumer confidence and Richmond Manufacturing Index and actually core durable goods. I've never heard about that, but it's an orange folder. But yeah, consumer confidence is the main news today. Then you have, what do you have here? Tomorrow you have FOMC, which is going to be crazy. Might be a no trade day tomorrow morning. We'll see. And then Thursday we have GDP, unemployment claims, and yeah, that's it. Friday we have, what do we have? CPI, core price index. Yeah, big week. Big week. It's an exciting week though. Oh, what's good, Max? How's it going, man? What's up? Good, brother. I hate this little range. Yeah, it's a little bit tough. I like that little closure below. That was very clean. See what the 1 hour does here, chat, in about 10 minutes time. So stick around, stay locked in. There's a lot of potential. Obviously, I'm more than happy to take more than one trade on stream, right? If something forms, we'll look to take it again. I want to see what this closure does though. FMC tomorrow means no trades for me today or tomorrow. That makes sense, Omar. I know a lot of people that do that, to be fair. You go over lot sizes as well for a beginner too? Yeah, like I know how to not I know how to, but yeah, I teach you how to manage risk and all that sort of thing. Position sizing, everything. You also get the free course, right, in the private group, which has all of that included. Like, the course has got literally everything. How to, you know, position size, how to manage risk, all the way from that towards like the entire strategy, how to scale accounts, everything. Absolutely everything. Yeah, 9 minutes left to the 1 hour closure. Good thing as well, that trade was still like a 1 to 0.5, so we've been smashing out the 1 to 0.5s recently. Literally 30 pip stops, 15 pip take profit. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me just check something real quick. Okay. Nice chat. So we need to make a decision here on whether we want to close above or below. It seems to be struggling. If you close bearish on this next 5 minute as well, you sort of have then made essentially a lower high again to continue back down. That'd also be the 1 hour close. Obviously the 1 hour has rejected quite heavily, so you do need to be careful here if you wanted to re-attempt the sells. Alright, I've signed up to a private group this February, which is also my birthday month. Want to take this thing seriously? Alright, bro, yeah, good stuff. I'll see you in there, and when it's February, I'll tell you a happy birthday. But yeah, nah, listen, there's no point doing this like trading game if you're not locked in, right? You have to take it seriously. A lot of people think it's a side hustle. A lot of people are going to take trading and expect it to be a side hustle where they can essentially, you know, just do it on the side as well as their job. And it's not going to work like that, right? If you have to realistically think about it. If you want this to be your full-time living, you have to treat it like a full-time occupation. I know it's not possible for everyone to just drop your job and, you know, go full-time into trading, but it's not something that's a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to be able to learn it on the side without, you know, putting too much impact into it. You're going to have to spend hours and hours every single night studying it before you actually learn the strategy. Then you have to backtest it. Then you have to use a demo account. Then you have to go small live account. Then you have to scale up. So it's a long process, but you have to take it seriously. Otherwise, there's literally no point. 7 minutes. Wait, this music's a bit loud for me. Dramatic too, no? Alright, cool. Yeah, chat, so the 1 hour flipped up here, re-breaking its own high as well. Probably fill up towards the top of the range now. Hey, what's good, Geordie? Good, my friend. How's it going, brother? Tom, what's good as well? I let my basil flower and now it tastes like shit. Bro's growing basil. It's insane. Guy grows cactuses, herbs. How's Cyprus? I'm not there yet, bro. Soon. Soon come. Yo, this light is too bright. Wait. Now overexposed. Fuck. I did it again. Yeah, Jordy, I'll be there in mid-February. I cannot believe you let your basil flower. That's so funny, bro. Yeah, mid-Feb. That's better. Perfect. I look orange right now there. My neighbor has bees. I like watching them. You must, bro. Tom, you live a different life. I like it though. I respect it. You live a very natural life. It sounds pretty sick. Built diff, yeah? Nah, fair. Is the weather hot there? What, Cyprus? Yeah, bro. Ridiculously. Not right now. I mean, it's like mid-teens towards the 20s at the minute because it's winter, but in summer it'll be like 40 degrees. Chat, I'm so hyped. Like, honestly, when I was in Cyprus recently, like this weekend, obviously, it was just so it felt like paradise. Literally, so many people, so many wealthy people there. So many nice buildings, you know, nice culture. Countryside and the views were insane. Wait, chat, let me try to show you a view from the apartment. I don't want to show you the apartment yet just because I haven't got it confirmed. And I don't want to tempt fate, right? But the view from the apartment is ridiculous. Let me just see. Chat, look at this. Wait. That's the view. It's insane. Overlooks like the city, the beach, everything. And then to the other side, it's just pure mountains. – 8 p.m. and 30 degrees? What? That's insane. From Nairobi? What's good, Joe? That's crazy. Wait, you from Nairobi? Thick. We have people from everywhere. Literally everywhere. Every single continent we have people from in the stream. But look, chat, you have the hourly closing in about 3 minutes time. It's still Sunday where I am. Noodle Hots has a time machine or what? What copy trader do you use? I use Traders Connect. Is it Traders Connect? Yeah, Traders Connect. Not affiliated or anything. It's actually alright. Better than Social Trader Tools. Social Trader Tools is shit. 4 hour might flip and push up. Might do. Found the apartment based on the image shown. We had geo guesses. Bro. Shit, yeah, Gandhi. If Gandhi was here right now, he'd already tell me exactly where it is. Yeah, chat. Hourly's closing back in the range though. So realistically, you should fill up towards the top of the range. It's just a little bit difficult to take buys here, especially with did the daily flip? Yeah, it did. The daily has flipped right now. Interesting, chat. So you might see a pushback up here. See, this is what I mean, chat, about the fact of you don't need to always be right in trading, because we were wrong about the daily direction, right? About the current direction. We caught our position here, took advantage of like a 15 pip move, and then we managed risk and got out in profit, obviously. Well, not got out in profit, we took profit. And now look where we are again, right? So we were actually completely wrong. We were completely wrong about the direction of where the market was going to go, but we still made profit. So that's why you don't need to be correct as a trader. You don't always need to be correct on where the daily is going to go. We took advantage of this little move here. And yeah, we were wrong about the direction, but look, we still made profit. I guarantee people would be taking buys down here too. They'd also make profit, or someone's going to take buys right here and lose. So again, it's not about being right or wrong. It's about understanding where your advantage points are, understanding what your strategy is, what your, you know, setup criteria are, taking them, managing risk, and understanding where you are in the market. And yeah, that's literally it. But you don't need to be right. Like I said this in the, I don't know if you guys saw, I posted a clip yesterday on Instagram, the podcast that's about to come out. Said the exact same thing, right? So many people are focused on being right, and in reality, it doesn't actually make a difference if you're right or wrong. Chat, this podcast can be fire though. Wait, let me show you this. Oh wait, no, actually, sorry, one sec. We have 20 seconds here to the hourly close. Stops on the hourly are just ginormous though. We also pretty much filled the range, right? Your advantage point was most likely 27.41, 27.42. We've pretty much filled it up towards the top here. Open there. Top wick first. Yeah. You know us, there's nothing I can do here, to be honest. Nothing I can do there for right now, chat, at least. But look. This is what I was saying earlier, right? Traders don't realize that you don't need to be right every time. The only thing that actually matters as a trader is if you're profitable over time, over 6 months, over a year. If I lose today,
a lot of people come into trading and think of it as a way to just make money and a side hustle to then turn into millions. But what they need to
I'm not gonna show the whole thing because it's quite a long clip. You can go watch it if you want on Instagram. But the point I was making is take ego out of trading, and you'll be good because yeah, realistically. It's all that matters. But chat, look, the reason why I can't take anything right now as well is, like we said, you did close back into the range, which is good, and you might tap into the top of this next level, but there's so much chop around this area. Like, look at this. This range is really, really not nice. You have just constant choppiness. My advantage point, if we close back in the range, I would have liked us to close somewhere around this area here, purely for the fact of, yeah, if you were here, you could take advantage of the move up to where we are right now. But you know, where we are closing and opening right now, our advantage point is 27.42, which gives you around like 10 pips for your advantage point, which is not enough for me, especially because you need to be taking it off of here. It's actually less than 10 pips. So yeah, I just want to avoid this choppiness. As you can see on the 15, this range is really, really not clear. It's not the nicest at all. So we want to essentially avoid that at any cost, you know. You don't want to be trading when you have any sort of obstacles in the way of your price, right? That's why we look for clean traffic. That's why we look for, you know, wick fills, all of that sort of thing, because again, regardless of whether or not the trade plays out, if you are thinking about whether or not there's obstacles or it might reject here, it might reject there, it's going to affect your trade psychology. You're going to be managing a little bit more emotionally. Just not worth it. So you need to wait for something like this, clean traffic, fill the range. For example, if we close above here, look, we have clean traffic all the way up towards like 27.57. So yeah, that's the most important thing. Chopped indeed. Yo SG, thanks to your code I got 20% off on ACG. Hey, good shit, bro. Good shit. Yeah, chat, if you do want to get a funded account, make sure you use code SG at ACG. It's going to get you 20% off, as Dev just said. Save yourself some money if you are going to get a funded account. There are good tools to scale your capital if you are, you know, in need of that. I actually have one just running on a copy trader. I completely forgot about it. Because I thought, you know, I have these accounts, why not just put them on a copy trader? Nah, we'll see how it goes. It's obviously going to take a while to pass because we trade quite slowly, or quite, not slowly, but I've got it quite conservatively. Yeah, pushing up here, man. Pushing up. As well as that, you came top wick first on this candle, so your advantage point was even smaller because I would have had to take the re-break of the highs. Yeah. Someone said to me yesterday about how many little things there are to think about in terms of like my trading strategy and how many things, you know, we actually look at. I didn't realize it until they said it, but it's actually very true. You know, there's a lot of nuances to the strategy. A lot of people, you know, would say it's very simple in terms of breakouts, closures above, and yeah, you're right, it is. But at the same time, you know, there's so many little things, the little nuances that you have to look for. You know, and if you're not looking for those little things, then those are the tweaks that actually turn you from a profitable trader to an unprofitable trader, because these things are stuff that you see day in, day out that changes the impact of the market. For example, no top wick closures, or, you know, top wick first, you know, driving without liquidity. All of this sort of thing is stuff that has a massive impact, but you know, most traders maybe aren't looking for. So I would say, yeah, whilst the strategy is very simple, you have to learn all those little nuances, all the little things that change the trading and change the impact of price. And if you can do that and keep them all in your head, or even write them down, all as little extra confluences, then you should be good, to be honest. It's something that really does help your trading and really will boost you towards profitability very, very fast. But yeah, how's your guys' week been so far? How are you guys doing in terms of, you know, trading? You guys been taking many trades this week? Has it been a busy week, a slow week, or what? Profitable, unprofitable, what we talking? Let me know. 0 trades? Yeah, good discipline, bro. Good discipline. Profit splits hit the bank account today. Ah, it's a lovely feeling, right? A lovely feeling, Tom. Yeah, I had a withdrawal. I'm waiting for it to hit today, I think. What about everyone else, chat? How's your week been? Are you in profit? Are you in drawdown? You guys are quiet. You need some coffee. At 1.5% on a new account with ACG. Let's go, KB. Good stuff, man. Bro's got the fasted mind, trading with precision. I'm getting a coffee. Hey, good stuff, Joel. That's a shout. Good stuff. I do need some coffee. Waiting for my W trade today. Yeah, you got it, man. Been in a USD CAD trade for 4 days on a challenge and it's at BE low. Bro, that's insane. That's a different mindset right there. Mr. Swing Trader over here. Yeah, unfortunately, that could never be me. Yeah, you see my trading style, right? But that is a thing as well. You know, you need to play to your strengths as a trader. So if you are someone like me who can't hold trades for a long time because they don't like to be in trades, you know, over a period of hours or days, then don't do it, right? Practice scalping, get better at scalping. If you're someone who hates scalping and prefers to just, you know, get in a trade, let it run, you know, even if it's for days, then, you know, practice swing trading, get better at it. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades, figure out what you're good at and double down on that. So, like I said, if you do want to be in trades for a shorter period of time, like me, become a scalp trader. You know, focus on that, double down, get really good at it. But, you know, on the alternative, if you prefer it the other way, there's nothing wrong with you finding what you're already good at and making it even better. You don't need to be a jack of all trades in trading. You need to be a specialist, right? We all need to just be specialists in one given thing. If it's one entry type, one pair, one session, one trading style, that's all that matters. And if you do that, all you need is one model and you're going to be a profitable trader. Literally it. Not random. It might be random. Can't swing at all. I like to be in and out. Yeah, exactly the same, KB. Exactly the same. For example, if I was in a trade overnight, I know for a fact I'd be sat there like, you know, awake all night just thinking about the trade or like watching the charts. I don't know why. I like to proactively manage things. I think I like to have control over stuff like that. I don't like to just leave it to the whims of the market. What's good, Eugene? Reply to me on Blood Clot WhatsApp. Who are the market? The whims. The whims, mate. The whims. You know about the whims. Six minutes here till a 15-minute closure. Let's see what we do. Realistically, I want to see a closure back above this range. You close above 27.46, even on the 30-minute, to be honest, it could be very clean. Stops are, stops are not too bad. And if you do close above that, chat, you got clean traffic all the way up towards like 27.54 as a minimum. Do you forgive me? Not really, no. I'm going to scrap you. Yeah, it's game over. But chat, listen. Q1 is obviously just starting off, but January is coming towards the end. How many days do we have left in January here? 3 days left, 3 trading days left in January, or 3 actual days as well. Normally, we were speaking about this in the private group yesterday. But yeah, normally, to be honest, January is an extremely hard trading month. A lot of people don't even trade January because of how difficult it is, right? We've managed to actually navigate January very well, even though it was choppy price action, even though, you know, we had a lot of inconsistencies. We had Trump getting into office, a lot of, you know, unnecessary volume. We navigated it quite well so far. It's been a very good month, especially on streams and in the private group as well. Just been absolutely, you know, disciplined trading, waiting for A+ setups. And that's how you navigate the tough months, right? If you are trying to, you know, trade every single month, even when the difficult months come, the best way to navigate that is just wait for your A+ setups. Make sure you're completely certain that your entry model and criteria is printed. And if so, then you'll be good, man. You'll be good. Just stick to the plan, follow your strategy. And even the tough months, you'll be able to go straight through them. So close, man. Today is the day. We're talking about the funded right here. Is today the day every day? I would say it is. You're getting philosophical on me right now, but I would say today is always the day. If you think about it. This month has gone so quick for me. I know, I feel like it has. I really feel like it has. It's been a long time. It's been a long time coming where we've had a month this quick, I think. Does that make any sense, what I just said? I don't think it did. What I was saying is I feel like it's been the quickest month in a while, or it's felt like the quickest month in a while. I'm just waffling right here, chat, to be honest. 2026 soon? Yeah, actually will. About to bend phase 2 over and it's crazy. Wait, you still on phase 1 of that account? I thought it was phase 2. Chat. Do you think we'll do buys today? Yeah, potentially. I want to see a closure above this level. Once we close above that level, we'll take some buys, to be honest. Or if you retest back into here, but yeah, we can close back above, especially now that we've swept the lows as well. Once you do close back above here, retest the level, you can take some buys to continue back up. Should be good. It's only Jan though. Yeah, I know. He's just trolling. It'll be Christmas before we know it again. It'll be Christmas and you'll all be in Lamborghinis. When Lambo. But now, realistically, this year should be a massive year in terms of wealth generation, right? Like you should be able to create something seriously good here. Yeah, I'm trying to sign up for a bank account, right, in Cyprus. And it says I need to type in my number for the app. So I type in my phone number and it says it sent me a code. It's been 3 days since it sent me a code. Or since it said that. And it hasn't sent me one. I don't know what I'm expected to do, to be honest. You know what the code is? Thinking about going carless and just pay other people to transport my ass? Why would you do that? Might have sent it to a Cyprus number with the same digits. Yeah, but I put that it was a UK one. I don't know. DeepSeek predicts 200k Bitcoin till November. Bro. I don't trust those guys, to be honest. Hate driving? How can you hate driving? Driving is one of the best things in life. Driving's like, I don't know, it's one of the best. It gives you your freedom. You literally have freedom when you drive. Especially if you drive like a decent car. I don't know, it's so nice. Go where you want, when you want. I could drive to Paris right now if I wanted to. I know I could fly there too, but if there was no flights, I could still drive there. I just have to get some floats on the bottom of my car so I can drive it over the sea. Like in Top Gear, yeah? What's up, SG? What's good, Deny, man? How's it going? 15-minute closing here, about 30 seconds. By the looks of things, we are going to be within the range. Could drive the perf, but why the fuck would I? Yeah, that's fair enough. I don't know, man. You don't find it fun as fuck, like going fast as well. There's nothing more fun than like speeding. Crazy. Going above the speed limit's next level. Just something about it. If I was an American, I'd say that was true freedom. Yeah, 15-minute closed in the range. Got better ways to break the law? Nah. Chat, the pigeons are outside again. There's literally 2 pigeons looking in my window. Again. They're watching me, chat. They've found me. The birds work for the bourgeoisie, right? If I stare them out long enough, they'll go away. That didn't work. Yeah, matrix surveillance, exactly. You want to learn how to scalp? Yo, imagine teaching a pigeon how to scalp. That'd be, well, it wouldn't be possible, to be honest, but yeah, the market's very pigeonist right now. Heavily pigeonist. Yeah. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Trust me. Jerome Powell's pigeons. They're watching to see what position I get in, and then they're going to dump the market the other way. I want a crow so I can teach it how to steal money for me. I swear that's a thing. Yeah, I think that actually is a thing, though. Yeah, look at this. Right now, the 30's coming back down towards a flip. We have a bit of an indecision here. So when you have a period of indecision like this, you can't really be trading much. We've grabbed liquidity from the downside. So when you see something like this, chat, you have to look at, for me, I think personally for me, one of the things that really helps me decide or figure out market structure is just drawing the arrows on, right? So literally just come down, draw the arrows. We've had a big move down, period of consolidation, right? Now I've had a liquidity grab from below the level. Some would call that manipulation. Now if we can come back up and close above the level, guess what? You probably have a continuation back up to fill down this big move here. So just drawing that out, by itself is something that really massively helps me. And it should help you as well to figure out and decide where price is likely to go. Obviously, there's alternatives you can look at, but yeah. It would also protect my home and act as an alarm for danger, as well as maybe claw out my enemy's eyes. Bro's speaking like he's in a video game. Your enemies. Chat, wait. Let me lift you guys up, man. There you are. That's way better. Oh, you don't have this little... Oh, you do have it a little bit here. Wait, where is it? Here's what it is. What's good, Nathaniel? Good morning, man. I want a stray dog that follows me around, but I can just claim I don't own it. Crazy. Tom, I feel like you're the Australian Eugene. I feel like you two are very similar in the things you come out with. So you're a scalp trader? Yeah, I would say so, right? Most likely we're probably scalp traders. Right, it's true though. Like Tom and Eugene come out with some very similar things. One is just upside down. The other one's in the UK. About to bait out Eugene's location then as well. Don't mind the odd bean or two. See? There you are. Oh, Eugene, can I tell stream exactly where you live? Go on Google Maps and show them. That'd be really cool. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, if it gets 50 likes, I'll bait out Eugene's location. Drop a like if you haven't already. $50 likes. Yeah, but Eugene, I can just remove it, and you're not on stream anyway, so. I noted it down after that time you shared screen. Yeah, I've got yours too, though. Yeah, 5-minute closing bullish here. Looks like we want to make this continued push up. So if we can close in about 10 minutes here above the level, we should be good to get some nice positions. Let's see, let's see. Zoom, crazy. Go house for house. Insane. I'm gonna be moving anyway, bro, so you can do it if you want. Yeah, we got 63 people in here, only 25 likes. That's outrageous, man. Drop a like if you haven't already. It really does help out, right? Trying to grow the streams, trying to grow the channel. Yeah, I'm moving to then. Yeah. Yeah, we caught a nice little, some nice little sells earlier. Got a nice win. We're now waiting for our next position here. A lot of opportunity to be had right now. So much potential. And yeah, chat, by the way, quick question. Did you guys get a notification on today's stream or no? Did it tell you guys I was live or not? I hope it did. Imagine me in the background of the Greek streams. Crazy. I did? Okay, nice. A few of you did, that's good. I guess it won't notify everyone, but... Yeah, chat, so 8 minutes to disclosure. Very indecisive right now. Yeah, so essentially yesterday as well, we had the stock market pretty much crashed yesterday. If you look at the Nasdaq, we essentially had a big move to the downside yesterday due to DeepSeek, the Chinese AI program, which essentially just put fears into the entire market because ChatGPT has taken billions and billions of dollars to build, and some guy, literally just some guy in China who owns a hedge fund was like, yeah, let me just build an AI project on the side as a little bit of a side hustle, and it's better than ChatGPT by quite a long way. So that's put some fear into the US market. Essentially, we have a technology race right now between China and the Americans in terms of like AI and all that sort of thing, computer power, all that sort of thing. So it looks as if China took the lead on that. I'm not gonna lie. That's why you might see a lot of assets moving down. Bitcoin and crypto actually took a dip as well based off the back of that, which is insane. But yeah, it was like 1.3 trillion wiped off the market. They say China was lying about the lower cost to make a psyop. Yeah, but are the Americans saying that to make themselves seem better? My uranium ETF dropped 10%. Crazy. US stock, gold, crypto, EU market, everything crashed. Yeah, it was like 1.3 trillion. 1 trillion dip in AI doesn't worry me. It's interesting. Yeah, I don't think it's too much of an issue when you look at the actual size of the market. But it's just a crazy thing to think about that much money being wiped off. It also shows how fake all the money is, right? Because it's literally like moved like that. Yeah. Nvidia. Brilliant. Well, I have a very gappy chart because I don't have the thing, but can I look at whatever. Yeah, absolutely ripping down. Holy shit. It's down 15% in the last day. That's crazy. Chat. Also, gold has flipped here on the daily. It's interesting. Gold did dip off that news, but it also didn't really take too much of a hit because gold's essentially the hedge against the stock market and the dollar in America. So So that's why gold's a safe haven currency, because essentially when stuff like yesterday happens where the stock market takes a massive hit, 1.3 trillion wiped out of the stock market, people rotate into gold. Safe haven currency. It's a hedge against inflation on the dollar and weakness in the stock market. Bitcoin's pretty similar, so if you're looking for like an asset like that, that's pretty much, those are the two that are the safe havens if you want to bet pretty much against the US economy, or you just want to keep your money safe. This is why, you know, a lot of people just have big investments in gold, but you see it did take a small dip yesterday, but it actually stayed strong and relatively, you know, stable. Same as Bitcoin, to be honest. Bitcoin took a dip yesterday, but has recovered off of the back of that market crash very, very well. That's actually a very good sign, to be honest. Very, very good sign. They made it with like 5 mil. Yeah, wait, I wanted to find the guy. What's the guy's name? DeepSeek. Apparently, I heard something that they have like what is it, like 10,000 Nvidia chips or something that they weren't allowed to have. Kind of keeps their population intelligent whilst also keeping them under tyrannical control, and the US loves making their citizens as moronic as possible, but just smart enough to work and pay taxes. Incredibly true. I don't want to subscribe. This geezer owns a massive hedge fund in China, and then just decided, you know what, I'm gonna just make a little AI platform. Insane. Absolutely insane. I went to bury bricks of gold in my backyard one day and forget about them and die. It's insane. Yeah, pushing back up here, man. 30-minute close in about 3 minutes here. Let's see if we can close above. If you close above the level, you should be good towards, at least, like I said, 27.51, 27.54, 27.57 as well. So like all of these areas you should be able to push up towards. It was essentially made for them to trade the hedge fund. Yeah, they have already AI for the hedge fund, and then they wanted a new one, but then they just made it into this, which is crazy. They have an AI quant hedge fund thing, which is just ridiculous. Like, I couldn't even begin to understand how that worked, or no, how they, you know, program it and everything. But it's pretty cool, nonetheless. Okay, 2 minutes. Lock it in, chat. Let's see. We close at the top of the range. It's a bit difficult. Even mind if I ever have kids or gold. Crazy. Yeah, look, if we can close above this level, we should be really nice to push up here. Even if it's on the 1 hour, right? That's a 4-hour close as well in about 32 minutes. You've grabbed a lot of liquidity. The 4 hour would be closing bullish as well. You could expect to fill up towards the top of this range. Let's see what happens, chat. What's good, FNAM? How's it going, brother? How's it going, chat? Look. Again, it's all based off of structure and clean traffic. I want to drill this into your guys' head, but essentially the premise behind the strategy, there's one main premise, which is if you close outside of one range, you fill the next range. So you see we have a range here. If we close outside of this range, fill the next one. Simple. And that's literally one premise that changed my whole trading, or that my entire strategy is based off of this one thing. And all that is if you close outside the range, you will fill to the next range. So you wait for a closure outside a range, and your TP's on the fill. So simple, right? Same happened here. You close outside the range, you fill it up. Same here. Close outside the range, fill it up. When you close back in the range, you fill it back down. So simple, and it's again just an easy premise that allows you to take advantage of moves like this, regardless of whether the daily is in your direction or not. Oh yeah, is it Lunar New Year? Chat. It's is that today? So is it a new lunar year today? Funny thing is, it's a snake year, and I was born on the year of the snake. Which is a good sign. Chat, 30-minute does not look like it wants to close outside the range. Didn't ask, you did ask, Eugene. You just messaged me. Same on Year of the Snake? Yeah, W. Chat. Okay, 30 closing here. Close respecting. So not the best. Realistically, I'm going to have to wait for the 15-minute closure. If we can close on the 15 above, it's still clean traffic, so we can take that. Especially to come and grab this top wick as well. That's a very clean TP right there. A lot of potential now, chat. A lot of potential. So stay locked in. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Yeah. Stay locked in with us, man. I bought one of those chocolates. What do you mean, bro? What's this guy on about? Freaky chocolates? That's insane. I don't want to hear about you and your shenanigans in the bedroom, Mr. Eugene. What's good, Triz? How's it going, man? Okay, pushing up no bottom wick here. Fucking morning, guys. Hey, what's good, Matt? How's it going, brother? All good. Nice trip, looking fresh. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, man, it was a great trip. Very successful business trip. I'm not gonna lie, I don't believe in all that, but this month has been a really good month for me in all areas so far. I just need to keep going one step at a time. Yeah, one foot in front of the other, bro. Exactly that. It's all about one foot in front of the other. We all know Eugene loves it. I don't want to think about what Eugene loves. I'm not gonna lie. Looking for an entry? Yeah, not right now. Yeah, I mean, no, I am. I want the 15 minutes to come down and make a bottom wick first. If the 15 can do that, then great. If it can close back above, ideal. And yeah, that's perfect. Compound interest your life, 1% better every day. This is 100% true. So, again, a lot of people, when it comes to the new year or anything like that, they want to do everything all at once, right? They want to suddenly get in shape, get their money right, get their mindset right. I realistically am a believer in, making small changes every single day. You're not going to stick to the habits if you give yourself such a crazy change. But, one day you start to eat a little bit cleaner. Maybe the next day you start to learn a skill. The next day you start to go to the gym at a specific time. And then, over a period of like a couple of months, you've built up this habit to the point where now you're an extremely disciplined person. But it takes time. It starts with literally the most simple changes. Compounding them, maybe you start going for a walk in the morning, then you start running, then you start going to the gym, and then so and so and so and so. It builds up, and realistically, that's the best way you can change your life. And before you know it, you will have changed your life just by implementing these small things and sticking to them. Two weeks smoke free right now. Hey, good stuff, bro. Gonna quit gym 1st of Feb. Yeah, good stuff, Eugene. Family's told me the same thing. Yeah, Afric, bro. It's true, to be honest. Can't overload and burn yourself out. Need to space it and grow slowly. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Can you say you copy trader again? Can't find the minute you said it. Traders Connect. Traders Connect. Not affiliated. I wish I had a promo code. I don't even know if they do promo codes, but... There you are. Now, they're alright. They're alright, to be fair. I haven't had any issues, which is good. 1 hour looks clean as well, chat. You're closing above all the most recent levels. I would just be concerned about this area here at 44 that I'd like to see it close above. But that being said, right, it is also a 4 hour close. So if the 4 hour can close bullish here, there's no real reason why you shouldn't push up again. Especially we've had like, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections here. You rejected here, here, and here as well. So yeah, with all those rejections to the downside, there's no real reason this daily time frame shouldn't push back up. Here's my voice. Yeah, all good, bro, all good. The key to trading that most people don't look at is in the wicks. You have to look at the wicks in order to see where price wants to push. Looking at the 4 hour, even the 1 hour, but looking at the 4 hour here, we've grabbed liquidity from below on the wicks here 1, 2, 3 times. After we do that, most times you're going to see a push in the direction opposite to where the wicks are. So, you know, because the wicks are from the downside, all these wicks are doing are grabbing liquidity, right? It's grabbing a lot of liquidity, grabbing orders in order for a push back up. So once you see that nice confirmation with a 4 hour bullish close here, after grabbing big wicks like this, you see a push every single time. So just think about wicks as liquidity and it will change your trading, I promise. Sample sizing a 1-to-1 based on that hourly closure back in the range. Curious on how it plays out. Yeah, I think the 1-to-1's a good move, to be honest. It has to be it's all about how large the range is, right? You can't just force a 1-to-1 if the range is not a 1-to-1. Ideally, you'd look for smaller stops, right? So you'd look for like a 15 close back in the range like that, and then you'd have sort of a 1-to-1 based off of this. 15 is rejecting there. I've also, chat, been sample sizing something in the background too. I'm going to see how it works for the next couple of months. And then we might have our next big strategy change, to be honest, chat. Bottom to the top of the range, you know. Good stuff, chat. Congrats. Yeah, chat. So I have a new new thing I'm looking at working on, to be honest. It's going to be sick. I think it's actually going to like really be that next level up. So obviously we had our big level up recently with changing stops about a couple of months ago. Chat, why is this doing this? One sec. Fuck. I've really fucked it, chat. Oh, what do I do? Alright, should be good. Moved a little bit now. Alright, it'll do. Think. Wait. Alright, better, I think. Yeah, so realistically, no, I don't like that at all. Oh, what's going on, man? Alright, fine. Yeah, realistically, like Q3 last year, we had a big change. I had changed my stops, and that really changed the profitability of the trading that we're doing. You know, it went from relatively profitable to like very profitable. And then the next thing I'm looking at doing here, I'm not gonna say what it is just yet, but I have a plan to implement a big change in terms of like entry and strategy wise. And yeah, I think that's gonna be extremely profitable too. We'll see though. I give it a couple of months whilst I sample size, and then yeah. Alright, chat, but look, whilst we're waiting for this next closure here in 6 minutes time, make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. We can easily get to 50 likes right now. There's nearly 80 of you in here. Means a lot. And yeah, if we hit that goal, maybe I'll give away like a week of signals or something. That's a good shot, actually. Chat, as well as this, look at the way we are reacting off of the level. You might see a fill back down towards the bottom of the range, which could be clean for some sells, but it's a bit aggressive for me, to be honest. it's probably valid. But like I was just saying, with all the liquidity we've grabbed, that 5 looks clean. Oh no, no bottom wick. Yeah, with all the liquidity we've grabbed from the downside, it seems to me as if we're favoring a push to the upside here. So we'll just wait and see on that one, see exactly what happens, and then obviously we can take advantage from there. 5 minute looks to be closing bearish though. Big rejection off the level. Next club trip to... Bro, that's crazy. Club trip to Thailand is insane. Yeah, congrats, chat. That's sick for him. Alright, chat, look. 4 minutes. I feel like we're going to just fill back towards the bottom of the range, to be honest. Is what it looks like. We are rejecting over and over as well up of here too. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6 off this level. 30 minute, 15 minute. Yeah, it doesn't look bad to be fair, chat. Let's focus up here, man. Focus up. I see everyone killing it though in the Discord as well, which is insane. I always see people posting their trades, helping each other out, which is so sick. But a lot of people recently are absolutely absolutely killing it. All I see is like, I don't know, smart trading. Smart trading, not necessarily only wins, because obviously I don't want to just see wins from people. I want to see both. Yeah, I see people understanding why they took losses, understanding like exactly why they entered, etc, etc. So it's really good to see that, man. In the Discord, yeah, if you're not in the Discord already, chat, make sure you jump in because it's really, really important. And yeah, so much going on in there. Yeah, Xauusd, what are your thoughts on fixed versus dynamic lot sizes based on stops? I think, to be honest, I prefer fixed lots, but if you're trading with a specific risk to reward model, then you can go with dynamic, like dynamic risk, especially if you're trading a prop firm. I think dynamic risk too, maybe. But for me and for the strategy that I trade with no specific risk to reward, it seems a lot more smart to be, you know, to be trading with fixed lots. And it's also a lot easier, right? Obviously, I don't have to think about calculating before I enter the trade. I'm purely just focused on whether or not I'm getting in and whether or not my entry criteria is formed. I don't have to think about, like, is my entry criteria formed? Yes, okay. How many lots do I pop? Okay, try and figure that out. And, you know, because sometimes it's too quick for that. But I think both work. It's personal preference, to be honest. Yeah, it's purely personal preference. Alright, chat, we have 1 minute and 46 seconds here till the 15-minute close. So lock it in here, focus up. Let's see if we can grab some sells here off this reaction. I don't think it's invalid. Otherwise, chat, look, we'll probably wait for the 4-hour if it doesn't form here, because the 4-hour is closing in around 15 minutes also. Changing lot size takes too much time for me on PC? Really? Maybe. Let's see, chat. Can we push down here? Oh, no, not push down. We need to leave a wick. I don't know what I'm saying. If it closes no bottom wick, then obviously there's no trade. And if it closes like this, where it's rejecting here, then there's no trade also. I'm thinking about it, some trades are too quick. Yeah, that's the thing, right? Like, if the entry's forming and you know, you spotted too quick or whatever, well, I mean, you realistically should be planning the trade way in advance. But if you're not, then it gets a bit difficult. Yeah, chat, if we close like this, I can't really take that. Look, 5-minute flip bullish. Nothing I can do here, to be honest. 5-minute close bullish. It looks as if we want to continue back up. So it's not smart for me to take sells based off of that. Especially now since, yeah, you push down anyway without a top wick, really. So can't take anything. When it was like bearish, like strong bearish, sells were decent. But for right now, nothing I can do. I'm going to see what the 4-hour close does, chat. It's only 14 minutes time. It's not a long time to wait. I think there's a lot of potential off that opening as well, especially if we're above this level here, above 27.41 on the 4-hour is clean. I mean, realistically, I would like us to be above 27.44, but I think that might be a bit of a long shot. Actually, no, probably not. We'll see. Volume's a little bit dead as well, chat, which is a small concern. But let's see. All right, nice, yeah. The chat, realistically, like I said, smart thing to do, 4-hour. Big confirmation, right? It's going to be the biggest confirmation we have in the entire session. Only concern with it is stops are relatively large, so you probably need like a bottom wick before you get an entry. And I would like to see us above that 44 area, 45 even. Because again, the amount of times we've rejected off there is quite substantial. You have like a lot of rejections over here. The question is, right, how do I move my PC setup abroad? How do I take it abroad without, like, if I ship it, it's going to take, like, a couple of, I don't know, maybe I could express ship it. It's still going to take days, right? Yeah, how do I do that? Buy a new one? Bro, I looked. Out there, they're so expensive. They're so expensive because it's an island. They have to import everything. Like really niche items like PCs like mine are so expensive for no reason. My PC was like double the cost out there if I wanted to get these same specs. I mean, it's probably what I do, but yeah, bro. Been a while. How you been? Seen you cooking on IG though. I appreciate it, Didzy. What's good, man? Yeah, been a while. How are you? Carry on bag is crazy. Pay a friend to drive down? I can't because the 50-hour drive or something. I was gonna offer to pay Yannick to do it, but it doesn't work because my car won't be able to stay there, right? I have to wait for a few months. I have to wait to import my car for another 4 or 5 months before I can actually take it to Cyprus. Otherwise, I'm going to get hit with a fat tax bill, and I'm not really trying to do that. Stay where you're using your setup and order a new kind of cheap setup and go get it set up for streams. Then you can use that while waiting for your current setup to arrive. Actually, not a bad idea. UK PCs are cheaper than the rest of Europe. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, it's just... What's good, Anthony, by the way? But yeah, way cheaper here. I think it'd be cheaper to ship mine out than it would to buy a new one, basically. Have Eugene drive it for you? This is why he's here. If I give my PC and monitors and everything to Eugene, I'd never see him again. And then I'd see the exact same ones on Gumtree or something like that. break it down and get TRLS crew to bring it out piece by piece. That's insane. Piece by piece. I do not know how to strip a PC apart as well, by the way. I have no clue. I'm terrible with tech. Wait, is Gumtree in the UK too? Yeah. It is indeed. 10 minutes, chat. 10 minutes is not a long time to wait. Focus up here. Focus up. We've got a lot of potential positions here on the 4-hour close. Or a lot of potential 4 positions on the 4-hour close. But let's see what we can do. If we close above, chat, like I said, it's clean. Very, very clean. You got the 5-minute pushing up as well. 5-minute closed above most recent. So you got bullish structure here. 10 minutes to move, what? 12 pips. That shows how poor the volume is right now. Like, we're literally moving like, yeah, 10 pips at a time. Damn, Gumtree killing it. Yeah, they actually are. I don't think I've ever used it though. I know we have it here, but I always thought it was for dodgy shit. Actually, Discord, bro. I got you. What's going on? What have you sent me? Right, put this on stream. Oh, fuck, wait, I clicked off of it.
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Я такая вся, что добиваться будешь год. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой.
I can't believe you've got me, Badge. I actually can't believe you've got me with that. It was quiet for so long as well. It looked as if like everything was fine, and then it just starts playing and I'm fuming. Nah, fair play. You've got me. Bro, that song is elite. I'll stand by it. We haven't played it in a while, to be fair. I need to bring it back. You've been Sigma Boyed. I know, it's like Rickrolled. How's Bitcoin doing? Not much. The Americans aren't awake. But look at that weekly on Bitcoin, chat. It looks so clean. Solana weekly's okay. Ethereum, meh. Let's flip though. Have a little line here. This is my oh shit line. If we close below here, it's oh shit time. Same here, to be honest. I think it might be near the end of crypto, or not of crypto, but of this cycle. I'm getting pretty bearish. As days go on, I get more bearish. Be careful with your bags. Chat, look, we're pushing up though, which is great. We've got 6 minutes here. This 5 can flip and we can push above. Should be very nice towards the end of the 4-hour close. What do we always say, right? I say this every single day, but I say it for a reason. We are going to see a spike in volume towards the last 5 minutes of the 4-hour. Or a lot of the times you see it. I'm not going to say it's definitely going to happen, but a lot of the times you see it. So let's see, can we get that little spike in volume, closure above the level, which should lead to us getting some nice positions for buyers to continue back up. Otherwise, chat, I'll probably wait for the next 30-minute. If nothing forms off of that, then we'll probably, I don't know, we'll see. But I think there's still a lot of potential. Pushing up, chat. We haven't played Pump It Up in a while too, chat. Because we haven't had any drawdown trades. We haven't had any big drawdown trades, touch wood. So, I mean, we can't really because our stops are a lot tighter, but yeah, pump it up hasn't come back into action for a while. It's struggling though. It is actually struggling. I feel like we might just consolidate here, which will be annoying, especially if there's no volume. It's going to be very difficult. Bottom wick first on the next 5. 30-minute looks interesting. I think the way this 30 closes is going to depend on a lot, to be honest. It's going to tell you a lot about the market. I feel like I don't feel comfortable selling this. I think we're too bullish to sell it, even though we're at the top of the range. I think very, very aggressive to sell this right now. It seems as if we do want to push up. We're just waiting for a catalyst, some volume, whether that's a 4-hour close or what. But yeah, we are just waiting for something here, obviously. Chat, I have a question for you guys. So, when I move countries, I'm going to be in a different time zone, right? Which means I have the possibility to trade from earlier. So, you guys want me to start the stream earlier for pre-London? Because normally there's not many people on at the start of the stream. Everyone comes towards the end at like 10, 11 UK time. So is it worth me starting the stream earlier to trade pre-London? I'm gold biased, took Asian low. Hey, good stuff, John Wick. I trade pre-London, so I'm all good. Earlier, yes it is. Alright, we can try it at least. Lots of moves happen pre-London. What's good, Valentine? Yeah, I know, bro. They do. Fine volume dies down around 11 UK. I think it depends. I get a lot of trades around like 10:30, 11, but then I think, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I think volume dies off around now, actually, before 10. That's 5 flipped up. You've only got 2 minutes here to the 4-hour close, so I mean, look, let's see. What does taking out Asian low mean? It confused me. So hang on one sec. Yeah, so look, we'll try the earlier streams, right? We'll try the earlier streams and see if it works out. So Asian lows essentially is what it means is taking out the range or the lows from the Asian session range, right? So if we go in where is it, market sessions by Leviathan, which one is it? This one. You see here, like we have, oh shit, no way, that's crazy. Oh no, that's still Asian. Okay, so essentially you have like a range here, and a lot of times you'll see it sweep that Asian low before then making a move in the opposite direction, or it'll sweep the high before making a move. So like you have something here, it kind of did it. Let's find a different one. There's not really many good examples right now, but all it means is you have this range right here between, you know, Asian open and Asian close, the top and the bottom. Once you sweep that, it just means that coming below, grabbing liquidity from below that range and then continuing back up. It's not something I pay too much attention to be honest. I know a lot of people use it and it is quite a good confluence, but it doesn't really pay too much impact in my trading. Congrats on the Merc, bro. It's so beautiful. I keep watching the vid because it's my dream to get a C300 black. Hey, Saf, bro. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, bro. I appreciate it a lot. Costing me a fucking fortune, though, because I have to import it now. And it's, yeah, it's definitely a big expense. But it was definitely a dream for me, too. It makes driving every day fun, right? It makes it fun every single day, which is nice. Something that you can't really put a price on. Took out daily fair value gap and sweep previous daily, which may fuel the move to beat the all-time high. Yeah, I think, to be honest, we've grabbed a lot of liquidity from below, so I do expect to move up here, but as I said, by the looks of it, the 4 hour is going to close within this range. Show an old, incompetent technical person how to get that indicator on, please, bro. I got you, Jar. Click indicators here. And type in market sessions. And then you want to find the one that says market sessions by Leviathan. Leviathan Capital 5920. This one, just click it. And then go to the 1 hour. It should be on there. It's loading right now. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. There you are. Chat, 4 hour is bullish, but below the level where I wanted it to close, which is not the best, to be honest. But let's see, chat. I still think if we close above this level, you're going to see a push up. So all I need is like one closure above there to confirm that we're good, and then we'll take some buys. So it shouldn't be long, chat. Have you moved from the UK? No, I will be next month though. In about, actually it's not even a month, bro. It's literally like 3 weeks. No, less than. How long is it? 1, 2, 3 weeks. Literally 3 weeks. Oh, chat, I'm so fucking excited, man. I'm so excited. So excited. Can you drop the name in the Discord? The name of the indicator. Just market sessions. And then Leviathan. How that? Back from my walk. What's up, Mia? How's it going? Do you have any MEXC? What is that? Mexican... What's... Yeah, Mexican fucking... No, is it a crypto? It's a crypto, right? Yeah, I don't hold any crypto, bro. No, I do hold crypto. I don't hold any of that crypto. Going on a nice long vacay in 3 weeks? Hey, nice, Mia. Where are you going? Nothing better than a trip, right? Where will God be heading today? Is it going to be bullish or bearish? Can't tell you exactly, but I'm leaning more towards bullish. Caribbean? Whoa. That's nice. That is nice. Yeah, I need to learn Russian real quick. I can't lie. I'm gonna go buy on 27.42. Should I hold it? If you want. I'd be careful about this level, but if you close above, you're gonna be good up there. Gotta learn those two. Yeah, it's getting to the point where I'm pretty much fluent in German, I would say. Like, it's still pretty broken, but, you know, conversationally it's pretty fluent. Well, not fluent, but enough. In Cyprus, there are so many Russians, like billionaires, millionaires, etc., and they will only do, like, they only consider you as a connection if you speak the language too. Dan Lassen's Deutsch. No, I will not speak German on stream, bro. Like, I don't know. That's way too nerve-wracking for me. I'll definitely fuck it up. But what was I saying? Yeah, so my girl speaks Russian, but it's not enough. You have to speak it, or at least understand it too, for them to consider you as like an acquaintance, I guess. Speak English with you as well? I know, bro, I know. Other way around now? Now. Gotta be careful not to anger the... yeah, bro. I don't think they're like that. With $50, what lot should I use, and how many risk per trade should I risk on? Bro, you should use like a 0.01 lot with a $50 account. And try and keep your stops super small. Yeah, $50 is quite small to trade with, to be honest. I would either buy a funded account, right? I think with $50 you can get an ACG account. If you use code SG, I think it's $47 for a 10K. Otherwise, I would just wait, save up money until you can like, actually, know how to trade. Learn the strategy first. Come to the streams every day, Vidal. And that's it. How about the payout? What about it? You have to worry about getting to that point first, bro. But yeah, they do pay out. Am I trading live with at least 500? Yeah, I think so. Or like, it depends. If you're trying to just learn, you could probably do like 100, 200 just to learn. Pop a 0.1, not an issue. But yeah, if you're trying to scale, then you need like a little bit more. And you need to be depositing regularly, right? Especially if you've got a smaller account. You can't just... I mean, you can use the compounding, but it's very difficult, especially with the way we trade. Not with the way we trade, but with Forex in general, right? It's not like crypto where people are flipping $10 to $1 million. It's just not going to happen. I guess also it depends on like where you live, because currencies are different throughout the world. $50 to some people is quite a lot. Challenge myself, $50 to $1,000 with 1 month's time, bro. Trust me, do not do that. You're gonna lose it. You don't want to be thinking about flipping your account or any of that bullshit. Just learn to trade, man. Learn to trade the strategy. Focus on the skill set. The money will come afterwards. The wins are like $1. Yeah, but if I'm from Indonesia. I guess $50 is a lot of money over there, to be fair. But yeah, try not to focus on the money, bro. Just focus on the skill. Like, it doesn't matter how big your wins are, if they're $1, whatever. Just focus on the skill. Focus on actually becoming profitable in terms of like percentages and pips over time. And yeah, you'll be good. You'll be good because realistically, you can't expect to flip your money even before you know a strategy. Especially because you just came in here and asked me like, what did you like, whether or not you should close your trade. You should know that because of your strategy. Alright, chat, look, we're pushing up here though, which is good. So we're testing back into the top of the level. I'm looking to see if we can close above on any time frame, really. Any time frame we should be good. Stops are pretty safe below here. This is very similar to a trade we got yesterday, actually. Yesterday. Yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Chat, we're back. I'm using SMT strategy, ICT, yeah, of course. If you know it well, then trust your strategy. If it's profitable over time, then good. Just make sure you have data behind it. Make sure you've tracked your profitability. You know, you should know exactly what your win rate is, what your entry criteria are, how profitable you are over 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. You know, you should be able to figure all that stuff out. And that's when you can go towards thinking about making money, but in the meantime, it's not worth it. Also, yeah, never put a time limit. That's a very good point Mia just made. Never put a time limit on yourself. It's just not worth it. Like, the only thing that is ever going to do is put unnecessary pressure on your trading. And that's like, obviously the last thing you want. Trading is already a very high pressure environment. You know, if you think about it, trading is one of the most high pressure environments there is in terms of, you know, entrepreneurialism or trying to make money or business in general. You know, you have large amounts of capital on the line, non-stop. It can, you know, impact your stress, especially when you're seeing negative numbers. So the last thing you want to do is put time limits on yourself, put profit targets, put any unnecessary stress, because you are just going to essentially drive yourself into the ground and ruin your strategy. What you need to be able to do is handle that pressure well. You do that by minimizing the actual stress it takes on your mindset and on your psychology. Very, very simple. Yeah, look at this. We closed above on the 5 minute too, which is great. If we can see this next 5 minute flip up and then like leave a top wick for us, we can take a look at some buys off the 15, but it does look to be rejecting. So, I mean, look, it all comes down. We need a higher time frame closure. Either the 15, most likely the 30 would be even better. Let's look on the 15 here to the left. Yeah, you don't want to get caught in that fake out. Let's see what it does. The 15 or the 30 is going to be ideal. So I will wait for the next 15. Literally 4 minutes here, chat. So stay focused, stay locked in. If we can do that, then great. If we can close above, we'll look for some buys. Otherwise, chat, we'll wait for the 30 minute. If it doesn't print on the 30, I think I'll call it. Okay? That's the plan of attack. Reason being, right, we've consolidated for such a long period of time. Once you do that, especially when you break back below and then continue back up, if you close now above here, what you've done is you've grabbed liquidity, you had manipulation, grabbed even more liquidity. Now you have the confirmation of the closure above. Once that happens, you see a continuation up towards, you know, the next range every single time. We just need that nice little closure in 3 minutes. We should be good to go. The Asian high already sweeps. It will break above. Only waiting for a 15-minute candle to stick to close. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I said. But actually, my chest and arms are finally growing. Hey, good stuff, bro. We're putting in the work then, eh? 4 buys at the bottom of this. I'm aiming for previous daily high on a break even. Fuck it. Hey, good stuff, bro. Yeah, let it run. Why not? You caught the bottom, then you should be good. It should never come back. I think we're gonna grab some buy side liquidity to rip further down. I will see, bro. We'll see. We've grabbed a lot of sell side liquidity though. If I'm gonna use your ICT terms, what's good there, Bilal? Chat. Drop a like on the stream as well if you haven't already. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We do stream live every single day, completely for free on YouTube for London sessions, so do not miss it. Also join the free Discord as well if you haven't already. Someone put the link in there right now. Actually, I'll do it. Not letting my metabolism limit me. Yeah, brother, you gotta keep eating. Gotta keep eating. One minute and 30 seconds to the closure here, chat. See what it's gonna do. Let's see. Or take trend. Yeah, or take trend. That's the other option. That's probably the better option, to be honest. Not financial advice. NFA. Bit too much. If one day you're moving to Bali, I'll come and visit you. Yeah, I was thinking about moving to Bali, but now I'm not going to be honest. Drop your affiliate link and I'll support you. Oh, what, the Tren affiliate link? I don't have one. I'm not associated. Yeah, we're rejecting here. Lorenzo also in Bali? Who's Lorenzo? Oh, Lorenzo Cortado or whatever. That guy. I don't really know him too much. Yeah, that guy, yeah. Yeah, we close respecting here. I think you might just see it pop straight through. When it eventually does do it. That volume's dead though. If I'm honest. Yeah. Many traders are living in Bali because it's a good place to stay. The reason I didn't want to go to Bali is because the type of people that live in Bali are not the type of people I really, you know, vibe with. Firstly, I like city life. I like, you know, a bit of hustle and bustle. I like seeing fancy cars. I like seeing nice restaurants, like skyscrapers, etc. I also like the beach, which is why where I'm staying in where I will be in Cyprus is absolutely perfect. I got essentially beach life and city life right next to each other. Gym on the top floor of a hotel overlooking. Like, I like those luxuries. I don't know. I don't know. I'm a fan of them. All right. So Bali's not really the one for me. Secondly, I think the people with real money, like I'm talking like 100 mils, billions, and etc. They're not in Bali, bro. Like people with a couple of hundred thousand or whatever. Yeah, they go to Bali, maybe a couple of mil, sure. People with hundreds of mils and stuff, they're not living in Bali. They're in places like Cyprus, places like Dubai, places like London. You know? And that's where I want to be, because I want to be on that level, right? I want to associate with people like that. I want to network with people like that. And yeah. Hasn't sweeped Asian High just yet, just edged it. I know, yeah. I mean, Sam has a Billy, guys. Bro, I wish if I had a Billy, I would not be sat here on a YouTube stream with you nerds. No, I'm joking. This music, yeah, bro, I actually might change the music. Let's put some fucking better music on. Wait. Come on. Some more exciting music. Beach Club House. A bit better, chat. It's a bit more energy. A bit more energy, a bit more footwork. Deliver flowers as a side hustle. That's a cool ass side hustle, to be fair. I like that. Meet billionaires is wild. Yeah, I bet. With $1 million in Bali, you can build a villa, also in a beach club. Yeah, I know you can. The link to your Discord expired. It doesn't work. Yo. Did we lose the... Alright, wait. You must know the Springer family? No, I don't. I actually don't. Oh, wait, what the fuck? Why can I not copy this invite? Someone send the invite to the Discord in the chat, please. Yeah, look at this flip down on the 30-minute though, and the 4-hour, obviously. They do publishing in Germany. Oh, okay. Chat, look at this. We are... Yeah. That is not ideal. Seems as if we're rejecting right now, chat. Look, you know what I'm going to do here? I think I'm going to call it right now because it doesn't look like we are going to form what we want to form. I don't want to take the cells here, to be honest. So what we'll do is we'll play the GeoGuessr. Chat, if you are going to dip right now, make sure you've dropped a like before you do. Subscribe as well if you're new. Join the Discord. Wait, let me get a Discord link for you. Let me get a Discord link for whoever just asked for it. I can't remember, but let me see it. Yeah, the Discord link did expire. Why? So sad. Oh well, we moved. chat. Let's play the GeoGuessr. We will be back again for tomorrow's stream. Remember, tomorrow's FOMC chat. I might stream for FOMC, to be honest. If you want to see an FOMC stream, just let me know. And yeah. Off to the gym. All right, Nathaniel, in a bit, man. FMC is non-negotiable. All right, I'll stream it. I'll stream it. Fine. Anybody been here this morning? My bad, chat. You're all good, Matt. Don't worry. Chat, join the blood clot GeoGuessr. I'm gonna start in about 10 seconds. GG's. Hey, thank you, Mia. Kanye West is back. No way. See you in NY, yeah, Louis, see you in a bit. Chat, if you do want to join the NY streams, I do stream a New York session every single day. That is going to be in the private group, so make sure you do jump in there. If you want to stream NY, you also get access to my full course as well, which is absolutely super comprehensive, so much value. All right, let's start this game. Where is this, chat? Where the hell are we? I've actually got no clue where this is. I'm gonna have to guess somewhere like this. I don't know. That's gonna be the guess for today. Nowhere near, bro. Absolutely nowhere near. Alright, chat, next one. Gotta be like, I don't know where I just guessed. No, wait, I have a feeling. I'll stick it somewhere here. My guess, chat. Colombia. Oh, bro. I was right with the South American. But still miles away, bro. I'm actually getting cooked here. Bridge has gone clear. How have you got 6,000 points already? White Sands? What is White Sands? Yeah, I don't know where this is. I'm gonna guess somewhere like... I don't know why I'm guessing here, but I'm gonna guess it. Ah, close enough, bro. Malaysia? I mean, not really. How am I in second with 1.5k? You guys are slacking. Oh, this is... That's an Amish house, no? It's a house on stilts. Insane, bro. Shit, to be fair. That's fair enough, man. No clue where this is. It looks like an Amish house, but I'm gonna stick it somewhere here. I don't trust putting it in America somewhere. Oslo. That makes sense. Actually, final round. Where we at, chat? The red Scandinavian house? Yeah, it did make a lot of sense. I don't know why I was on stilts. Where is this? Actually, I have no guesses here. I was gonna guess South Africa. I actually was gonna guess South Africa, and then I was like, nah, fuck it. Chat. Somehow I scraped a second there. Triz just went clear. Listen, that's going to be the stream for today. What a round. What a terrible round. I know. Listen, chat, have a great day, man. Peace out. Much love. We caught a nice little W this morning, which was very, very good. Started off the stream well, but unfortunately no positions after that. I will be looking in the signals group and obviously for New York session too. So look, chat. Catch you guys later. Peace out. Much love. Have a great rest of your day. See you all on the next one. Bye-bye.